Hi everyone, I'm Saranya, founder of the Bombay Poetry Crawl, and today I want to celebrate 1 year of my podcast series, Poetics and Poet Talks. 1 year ago, I realized that I have this incredible access to a treasure trove of people in Bombay-based poets and writers and thinkers and historians and natural historians and archivists and activists and artists and people who are really passionate, civilians, chefs who are really passionate about the city, its histories, its communities. And I decided that I want everybody to listen to their brilliance. So I began a podcast series called Poetics and Poet Talks 1 year ago, and this month we have completed 12 episodes, one each month, and we'll be going forward releasing again one a month for hopefully a long time. But I just want to commemorate, and thank the brilliant people that I had the privilege of interviewing. And you can listen to all of their talks on YouTube, Spotify, and my website, thebombaypoetrycrawl.com. I had the privilege of interviewing Adil Jassawala, who's been so formative in the city's literary culture, in poetry, in really, being so important to so many generations of writers and educators and poets from the city. I had the privilege of interviewing Malika Amar Sheikh, a fantastic Marathi and Hindi poet and writer and playwright. She's the daughter of Shahir Amar Sheikh. She is married to Namdev Dhasal. Her stories are just so full of just incredulity because of the number of people she was always growing up around, and how her ideology really bleeds into her writing. I had the privilege of interviewing Vasant Dattatray Gurjarji, who is a brilliant Marathi poet and whose very distinct style of writing really set him apart in his experimentation with tone, with voice, with form, and how he writes about the city through that. I had the privilege of interviewing Dr. Pradnya Daya Pawar, who writes at the intersection of caste and feminism, who writes about the Dalit experience as a woman, as an academic, as a scholar, and as just like the brilliant writer that she is and the brilliant thinker. I interviewed people like Dr. Milind Awad, who is the son of Eknath Awad, who has written extensively about the likes of Anna Bhav Sathe, urban Dalit writing, and Lok Shahid, the Lok Shahiri tradition that has sustained itself. I had the privilege of interviewing Zubair Azmi Saab, who runs Urdu Markaz, a library in Bhindi Bazaar, and also the Bhindi Bazaar Festival, who's passionate about talking about the connections between Marathi and Urdu Urdu's presence and life in the city. Apart from them, I spoke to such amazing people. Pooja Ashok Kumar, who runs Bombay Tamil History, Basvi Kejriwal, who runs Freshman, Anushka and Akanksha Patil, who talked about Toli life in Worli Toliwada, and just so many other incredible people that I'm so grateful to having spoken to. Farooq Dhondi, I had the chance to speak to Arundhati Subramaniam, Melanie Salgado. It's just like an incredible array of artists and writers and historians and thinkers. And all I want to say is a big, big thank you to everyone who agreed to speak with me, to everyone who has listened. You can still listen to all of these episodes online for free, and there's a lot more to come in season 2. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Saranya, founder of the Bombay Poetry Crawl, and today I want to celebrate 1